Hello student, we will today we will continue the chapter number 10 in history, and today's our topic is Vatan Jagir of Rajput. Here we will study about the Rajput. What was the relation of Rajput with the मुगल्स. ओके. एंड आपने चैप्टर 4 में पढ़ा था कि कैसे जो मुगल्स थे, यानी कि अकबर ने अपना एक नई परंपरा स्टार्ट की थी बाय मेकिंग द मैरिज अलायंस. ओके. राजपूत राजकुमारी से संबंध स्थापित करके, उनसे वैवाहिक संबंध स्थापित करके उसने क्या किया था, राजपूतों को अपना दोस्त बना लिया था. ही मेड देम हिज फ्रेंड. ओके. And he gave a big jagirs to these Rajput kings. ओके. इन राजपूत जो राजा थे उनको उसने बड़े बड़े जागीर्स दिए थे और मैरिज अलायंस के थ्रू उनको अपना दोस्त बना लिया था. और इसी जागीर को वतन जागीर कहा गया. दीज जागीर्स विच वर गिवन टू राजपूत्स टू प्लीज दैम, दिस जागीर वर कॉल्ड वतन जागीर. And the famous king Raja Ajit Singh, and who was given the governorship of Gujarat, and Raja Jai Singh, he was given the governorship of Malwa. These were the two main very big ruler of that time who became the independent ruler of their state. Here we will study about Raja Jai Singh. Raja Jai Singh, who founded the city of जयपुर. आज का जो शहर जयपुर है, इसको बसाने का काम भी सवाई राजा जय सिंह ने ही किया था. एंड उसने बहुत सारे स्टेट्स को अनेक्स्ट किया अपने राज्य में, जैसे कि जो मालवा का रीजन था, बूंदी था, जोधपुर था और नागपुर का एरिया था, उसको उसने क्या किया, अपने स्टेट में अनेक्स्ट किया, यानी ने उसको जोड़ा. और ये जो राजा जय सिंह थे, ये सिर्फ बहुत अच्छे रूलर ही नहीं थे, बिकॉज बट ही वॉज ऑल्सो अ वेरी लर्नेड मैन. ये बहुत ही लर्नेड मैन थे, बहुत. और इनका साइंस में बहुत ही इंटरेस्ट था. दैट इज़ वाई ही built so many palaces and forts, and also built astronomical observatory. And this 4 observatory which was built by Raja Jai Singh, it is located in Mathura, Ujjain, Delhi and Jaipur. अगर आप बनारस एंड वाराणसी, इफ़ यू विल गो वाराणसी, बनारस भी जाते हैं तो वो बनारस में सारनाथ के पास आपको ये जो ऑब्जर्वेटरी है वो दिखाई देगी. नाउ वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द सिक्स. अब हम इस नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ अबाउट द सिक्स. आपने जब मुग़ल पीरियड्स के बारे में पढ़ा था इन चैप्टर 4, वहाँ पे भी हमने बताया था कि कैसे जहांगीर ने गुरु अर्जन देव को उनकी हत्या करवाई थी खुसरो की मदद करने के लिए. तो वहीं से जो सिखों के साथ मुग़लों का जो संबंध था वो ख़राब होता गया. एंड ड्यूरिंग द Aurangzeb rule, it was became more strained. Okay, the relation between Mughals and Sikh, it became very strained during the Aurangzeb. And there are so many gurus of Sikhs were killed during the Aurangzeb's period. And because of this, Guru Gobind Singh founded a Sikh community, a military group which was called the Khalsa Panth. Khalsa Panth was established by Guru Gobind Singh. It was a warrior community. Okay, and this unity, this political and the military power of the Sikh grew after formation of Khalsa. And but what happened after death of Guru Gobind Singh? After death of Guru Gobind Singh in 1708, the Sikh had become quite a strong, and the Sikh issued the coin striking the name of Guru Gobind Singh and Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and they established their own administration. When the successor of Aurangzeb tried to bring them under their own control, they revolted, and Banda Bahadur led the first Sikh revolt, and he was captured in 1715 and put to death in 1716 at Delhi. और जो इनके जो बेटे थे बंदा बहादुर के, उनके बेटों को भी क्या किया गया, दीवारों में चुनवा दिया गया. So here what we see that there was the relation between the Mughals. It became in very poor condition during the Mughal after decline of Mughal Empire from the rule of Aurangzeb. Hello student, in this topic we will study about the Khalsa Panth and Jats. Okay, the Khalsa Panth was you have already studied. The Khalsa Panth was established by Guru Gobind Singh. It was called the Dal Khalsa, means Grand Army. And the number of Banths who were called the Jathas, or later they were called the Missiles, and these Khalsa used to meet on Baisakhi Day in Amritsar to organize a force, and they take a collective decision which was called the resolution of Guru or Guru Matas. Okay, and they started a new system which was called the Rakhi. Rakhi, it was introduced and give protection to the farmers or peasants in return of giving them protection. And the 20% of tax as a production of their crop, it was given to the this Khalsa group. And Guru Gobind Singh, who believed that the Khalsa was district to rule, means Raj Karega Khalsa. They have given a slogan which was called the Raj Karega Khalsa. And being a warrior group, the Khalsa put up a brave front against the Ahmad Shah Abdali. Okay, when you will study about the third battle of Panipat, you will study there how these Khalsa group gave a big fight to the Ahmad Shah Abdali. They tried to stop invasion of Ahmad Shah Abdali in northern part of India. And after death of Aurangzeb, they extended their territory from Delhi to northwestern and in the northeastern part of India. Now, Maharaja Ranjit Singh also became a very big, powerful ruler in end of 18th century, and he made his capital in 1799 to Lahore. Now, next topic is about the Jats. Here we will study about the Jats, who were the peasant group of peasants. The leader of Jat, whose name was Churaman. Churaman जो कि जो लीडर्स थे, जो लीडर थे किनके, जाट्स के. ओके, Churaman, he was the famous ruler of Jat also. The Jat were the clan of hard-working farmers, and they lived in Delhi, Punjab, and different parts of the today's Haryana and western part of UP. जो आज का यूपी का वेस्टर्न पार्ट है, हरियाणा है, पानीपत का इलाका है, इन एरियाज़ में ये जाटों का एक बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप रहता था, जिनका जो लीडर बना कौन, चूरामन. ओके, एंड ही कैप्चर्ड सो मैनी किंग, बहुत सारे एरिया को इन्होंने जीत लिया, एंड दे एस्टैब्लिश देयर ओन किंगडम. Okay, and Panipat and Ballabgarh were the important trading center of those time. And under the Surajmal, the most famous Dig palace was built in Bharatpur. Bharatpur became the capital of Jats. Jats का जो capital था वो बाद में भरतपुर बना. भरतपुर में सूरजमल ने एक बहुत बड़ा पैलेस बनाया जिसका नाम दिग पैलेस था. And under this great leadership, the Jats successfully resisted the invasion of Ahmad Shah Abdali. अहमद शाह अब्दाली ने भी जब भारत पे आक्रमण किया था तब इन मराठों के साथ मिलकर जाटों ने भी उसको एक बहुत क्या कह सकते हैं कि इस फ्रीज बैटल में अपना बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले किया था. ओके, तो इन दिस वे वी सी दैट द जाट्स वर also became a very powerful kingdom they also established their kingdom after death of or after decline of Mughal Empire. This is your last topic of this chapter. Uh, if you have any queries, ask me on WhatsApp.